In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add minimum age restriction on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile page. On Instagram, we can limit the people who can view our content and Instagram profile by age or by a specific country. To do that, first off, we need to tap right here at these three lines, and now, first of all, we need to switch our Instagram account to a professional account because this feature is available just on professional accounts. To do that, we need to scroll down all the way until we find account type and tools, and then select switch to professional account. Hit continue all the time. Here at that step we can choose kind of a category for our professional account. I'm just going to keep personal blog selected. You can choose a different one and then just hit add done. On the next step, you will be asked to choose whether you would like to be a creator or business. It doesn't really matter what you choose on this step, so I'm just gonna keep creator selected and then hit next. Then we can continue configuring our professional account. However, I'm just gonna hit right here to skip it. We can return to configuring our account later by hitting right here. And now I'm going to show you how we can set minimum age restrictions. To do that, we need to tap right here again. And now if we scroll down a bit, we'll find here creator tools and controls. And that's where we can easily find minimum age. If we get in here, we'll be able to set minimum age so that it will require people to be a certain age to see our account, including our posts, stories, and Instagram profile itself. Here we can set minimum age for people everywhere by hitting right here at add. Let's say here we can enter 18. It means that a person have to be 18 years old to see our Instagram content, and also we can set different minimum age for a specific countries. For example, we can hit right here, then select some countries such as Cameroon, why not? And here we can enter 25, for instance, years for Cameroon. After that, we can add here another country. If we hit add, then we can, let's say, select Cyprus, and here we can add 21. After that, to apply the changes, don't forget to hit add done. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.